Hey y'all, in this video I'm going to be making a shelf riser, and I will say this is another one of those videos that showcases my complete lack of expertise in the wood shop, but that's okay because everybody was a beginner at one time, and what I'm hoping is that just maybe this will encourage somebody else who is also a beginner like me to just try it, to just get out there and see what happens. And if you mess up, you know what, it's okay. Because I sure messed up on this one and it still turned out pretty cute. Here's my little shelf riser, warped board and all. I don't know if you can tell how warped that board is from there, but it is. And the plan was to make it with 3 supports. It has 2 because in the center it was too warped to even meet well enough to put the support on. But I still think it turned out cute and it will serve my purposes. I'm going to use it on my countertop or on my mantle, probably both, because I like to switch things out. But the thing is, even when you do a project and it's not perfect, it's a good feeling to just look at that and say, hey, I made that and I had fun doing it. So let's get into it. This project starts with just a random 22-inch board that I found in the scrap pile. It could actually be any length, but this is just what I found and I'm using what I have. Okay, so I actually forgot to say what this is going to be. It's going to be a shelf riser just to hold some things and maybe free up some counter space. So I'm just cutting 3 pieces of wood equal in length, and they'll go 1 on each side and 1 in the middle to make this riser. Okay, next thing, I've just taken my speed square and I'm gonna make each section about 5 5/8, but all it will be is just the width of your board for that. Now I'm just gonna cut these right quick. Now I'm just going to give it all a quick sand and we'll be ready to put it together. Next step is just to glue this all together and shoot it with the nail gun. So I've got the end propped up back here so that I can just kind of ease it onto there and get it lined up. And then just pop it with a nail gun or the brad nailer, whatever you want to call it. Coming out. Then we'll just turn it around and do the same thing on the other side. I thought I had the wrong piece, but I think I've got it maybe just a little bit shy anyway. I don't think it's going to be that noticeable in the long run though. I'm just going to take these little handles and attach these to each end, and I think that'll be a cute little shelf riser. I did one side off camera because sometimes I have a little trouble getting things lined up, and sometimes I have a little trouble making a screw go in straight, but here goes. I probably should have pre-drilled, but I didn't. So anyway, ooh, strip that one good, I bet. And that one. But anyway, there it is. I'm kind of tired today, and I know better than to try something when I'm tired, because I always end up messing things up. But I think it's going to work fine for what I need it for. You could, of course, stain this or paint whatever before you apply your handles, but I'm going to use it on my countertop and maybe sometimes my mantle, and I just wanted this natural wood finish. So for right now, I've just got my little shelf riser sitting on the kitchen counter. I'll probably move it around some, use it on the mantle sometimes, but here are the little handles that I used on it, and you can get those at Lowe's. You can probably even order them on Amazon, and I just wanted to show you also the end so you can kind of see how it's put together. So that's it. If you liked this project and think that you might like to do some more like it, please hit that like and subscribe, and that way you won't miss a thing. And I would love to hear your comments about what you think about it, and also if you want to comment with something that you would like to see me try that you might like to do sometime, just let me know. And that's it for now. I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching.